Meanwhile, on to state news. Indiana's Religious Freedom Restoration Act has quite a few folks across the nation still talking. Governor Pence signed the bill into law on Thursday. Days later, he maintains the bill is about protecting the religious liberty of people of faith and families of faith. News Center 16's Maria Cantanzarite joins us now. Over the past few days, we've been hearing more people protesting this law.
Well, that's right. We're talking about thousands of people marching through the streets of downtown Indianapolis yesterday, and just a few days ago, local business leaders and the mayor got together in downtown South Bend saying the city is open to everyone, and that's because some fear the law lets businesses discriminate against the LGBT community. Though on a political program today, the governor says that's not the case.
March Madness in a different arena, that of politics, and Indiana Governor Mike Pence
You know what we say? Prove it.
has found himself fending off a full-court press, telling ABC's George Stephanopoulos
I'm open to that, but we're not going to change this law.
the Religious Restoration Act he signed Thursday.
Tell me what democracy looks like.
Opponents suggesting the law is a blow to the LGBT community, though Pence maintains, quote, "This bill is not about discrimination, and if I thought it legalized discrimination in any way in Indiana, I would have vetoed it."
This goes to the direct point that this is not a license to discriminate. This is not about discriminating. This applies to everyone.
However, Indiana Senator Joe
We've
Donnelly
heard from people across the country.
and the mayor of Seattle
Laws that actually say you can discriminate
are among those who say the law closes the door to Hoosier hospitality.
It's never the message that we should be sending to people across the country, much less the message that we should be sending to our own citizens, especially a week before we're getting ready to host 60,000 people for the Final Four.
Angie's List, Apple, NCAA, NBA, they all are saying, you know, we don't want to do business with a state that does this.
We'll work together to reverse SB 101, and we'll stand together to make sure that here in Indiana, we welcome everyone, every day.
And the Religious Freedom Restoration Act takes effect starting the 1st of July.
This bill that Governor Pence signed is 5 pages long. Can you give us an idea of what all is in it?
Right, well, I have a copy of it right here, and I'll read a part of it. It says here that a governmental entity may not substantially burden a person's exercise of religion, even if the burden results from a rule of general applicability. And now when they're talking about person, the state specified that a person means a human being, obviously, but also a religious institution and, of course, a business that's rooted in religious belief. So it'll be really interesting to see how this plays out over the coming months.
That's right. Thank you very much, Maria.